Guys, we're gonna make a really quick and easy chili in the Ninja Foodi, right? Coming
This is
up.
Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it. And now you could join CJ's crew for real. There's a join button there. You could be a member of CJ's crew on YouTube. Check it out. There's 3 little tiers in there. Again, just another way to help out your channel, help out your boy, help out the channel. All that stuff helps me put out great content. So if you want to become a member, get some behind the scenes stuff, get your name at the end of the credits. Yes, I'll still have my Patreon, but if you want to become a YouTube member of CJ's crew, hit that join button, right? All right, very cool. And just for that, make sure you hit that thumbs up. I mean, you're going to like this dish, don't get me wrong, but just that I could join the crew for real on YouTube. Man, I'm excited. Make sure you guys join up, all right? All right, guys, so today we're going to do a quick and easy chili, all right? Listen, I have the box chili kit, all right? We're gonna do it in the Ninja Foodi. It's gonna take no time at all. We're gonna saute up the peppers and the onions and the garlic and throw the meat in there, get it all ready to go. We're gonna fit the rest of the fixings in there and then just shut that pressure cooker lid down. 10 minutes, we'll have a very hearty, tasty chili. And like I said, this is a quick, easy chili. It's gonna taste like it's been cooked all day on your stove, but we have it over here, all right? Come on over to the Ninja Foodi station, not the Ninja Foodi grill station. We're not using the grill today. Come over to the Ninja Foodi station and let's get started. What do you say? Let's go. Stick around to the end. You're gonna love this one. This is a good one, all right? Come on back. We turned on our Foodi and hit sear saute. We're gonna do high, hit start, all right? Now, I have minced garlic. I have boxed beef stock here. Everything is being pre-prepared. Again, we're doing this easy style. We're not trying to do, you know, grandpa's chili recipe from the Depression era of whatever, right? We are making a quick, easy meal, hearty for the winter. Granted, it's still 90 degrees here in Southern California, but you get the idea. Now, one thing probably is from grandpa's Depression era. This is your grease collector from your bacon grease. We're gonna put a tablespoon of this in there instead of oil, and we're gonna saute all our stuff up with that. Again, all the ingredients will be down below, so you'll be ready to go. Yeah, this is a real easy recipe. And for this box chili mix right here, it's Carroll Shelby's. I've used this many times and it's very good. You have the option to cook it hot or mild. So we will probably find somewhere in the middle. We have 2 pounds of ground beef right here, red onions, peppers. I like the sweet peppers in there along with the green peppers. Got some tomato paste, some Louisiana hot sauce, fire roasted tomatoes, Modelo Negro. All right, we'll pour about a cup of that in there too. Adds a little earthy vibe to it. Like I said, all the ingredients down below and we're good to go. We're gonna let this come up to temperature and we'll get started. All right, guys, we're gonna take a big old spoonful, probably a really heavy tablespoon of that bacon grease. Get that melted down in there, and then we'll add our veggies to it. Okay, we got our bacon grease melted in here. Let's add our onions and peppers in there. It's about a cup of each. We get these sauteed through. That bacon grease in there is gonna add a bit of smokiness that we want. Obviously, we're maximizing flavor in here, but it's gonna be good. Okay, we got these nice and translucent. I want these to have a little bit of texture in there, and they're already gonna get pretty cooked down with the pressure cooking, so I'm not gonna try to get it going much more than this. The next thing we're gonna add is a little tomato paste, about a tablespoon. Get that working in there a little bit. If you want it more tomato-y, then put more tomato in there, but you do want to give it a couple minutes to cook out that heavy acidic tomato flavor. Okay, I am not going to add salt and pepper to this or any other seasoning because our chili kit has everything we need and more. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add a tablespoon of garlic in there, minced garlic. Again, if you want to chop it all up, knock yourself out. But I told you, we're going for quick and easy tonight, right? Stir it around. Get that garlic a little sauteed in there. Gotta tell you, the smells that are coming out of this Ninja Foodi, unreal, unreal. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna give this a few more seconds and then we'll add the beef in. Okay, it's time to add the meat to the mix. Like I said, we got 2 pounds in here. Now, if anybody knows Pamper Chef, they got that mix and chop right here. Really helps get that ground beef ready to go. Get it incorporated, get it broken down. I'll put a link below for it for you. I don't want you to have to go without having the mix and chop. Drop that spoon right there. The next thing you got here is your beans. Now I want you to pay attention to this one. All you can do is take this can of beans and throw it in the trash. Beans don't belong in my chili. Okay guys, we're gonna add our little chili spices to this. So here's the chili mix. And this is for 2 pounds of meat, which is what we have in there. Put that masa in there, because I like a thicker chili. Not all of it though. We got a little cayenne. We're gonna add just a touch of that. We ain't using the whole package. We don't want it so hot that the kids can't eat it. You know, this mixed up in there. Woo! That little cayenne gets you right in the back of the throat there. Woo. All right, looking chili-fied in there. Next thing we're gonna add is about a half a beer or so. Don't act like you didn't know I was gonna try some of it and make sure it's okay. I mean, come on. I'm gonna add about a cup of this chicken stock. Because like I said, I want this to be a more hearty chili. So we don't need to, you know, put so much liquid in there. And this is not something you have to do, but I like the fire roasted tomatoes. But if you have just regular crushed tomatoes, those are fine too. Right, get that all mixed up real nice. That looks good. It's good smell. Oh, good lordy. Last little bit here. Little Louisiana hot sauce. You know, just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just add in some flavor. Just a little flavor. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. All right, we're gonna stop the sear. All right, then we're gonna go to pressure, hit start. Got to put that lid on. We have it sealed on the top right here. It's gonna take about 5-10 minutes to come up to pressure. Then we're gonna let it go for 10 minutes, do a natural release, and then we'll be eating some good chili. All right, so I said natural release, but I really couldn't help myself. We did the 10 minutes. I'm ready to eat. It doesn't really affect it all that much, so we're gonna go quick release. Let this all fizzle out, let that red button drop down, and we'll be ready to eat. All right, guys, the pressure's released. Obviously, it's still a little hot in here. But look at that goodness right there. It's like it's been cooking all day long. Look at that. We're gonna get a couple ladlefuls in our mug right here. Look at that. Oh man, that looks so good. All right. Maybe one more. There you go. Looking good. All right, let's get the accoutrement added to our chili and be ready to feast on this. All right, guys, we are done. It's looking fabulous. Took a couple good pictures. Now it's time to take a bite of this mug of goodness. Oh, look at that cheese. Look at the cheese. You know it's gonna be hot. What can I say? You know it's good. Oh man, it's good. Now I think there isn't too much better than Fritos with your chili. You know, some people like saltines, some people like cornbread. But give me a little Frito pie with some of this good chili. You know you got something right there. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Listen, if you want anything in our videos, the foodie, the cutting boards, knives, all that good stuff, click all the links down below. You know, doesn't cost you anything extra, helps out the channel, okay? And don't forget to hit that join button. Become part of CJ's crew for real on YouTube. Well, I'm excited about that for sure. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.